Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your Devops SRE DevSecOps coach, which is missed out. And that is first topic is inventory variables. Invent spelling mistake, I guess. Inventory variables, and second one which is vault, which is important. You may use it. I don't know if it is external tools is being used. That's a different case. So inventory, spelling mistake again. Inventory variables. So what is inventory variables? If you remember that I talk about playbook variables, but not inventory variables. So yeah, inventory variables where you can define. So inventory variables you can define in the inventory file. Okay, inventory file. Wonderful. That is one thing. So you can define the inventory file. Uh, inventory file. How should I put it? Inventory file under host. What is host? You know that, right?
Yeah.
No? Yeah. Inventory file under group. Okay. So two things you can keep it under host, under group. You know what? But sometime this become very irritating keeping the lots of variables in the inventory file. So you know what? There is one directory which is called D, and the name of this is group underscore vars. Have you seen this in your project? The directory, okay? And there's a directory one we call it hosts host underscore vars. So you will create a file here. I'll show you that rather than talking, and this file. So what to do now? So I need one playbook, simple playbook for running it. So do we have any playbook? Do we have any playbook? I think it should be web.yaml. Let me check that web.yaml, and it seems to be simple. Yeah, that is good. So now here I am going to run inventory variables. So where is inventory file? So here it is. BI inventory, and there's a group called, yeah, and I'm going to use IP address for this, and IP address for this is this one. Correct now? So BI inventory, and done. This I'll remove it. It's not needed because duplicate. Done. Now what I will do, go to the vi web.yaml, and here I'll modify the group name. So it's a web. Okay, so done. Now here I have only one host. So first I want to declare inventory vars variables in the under host. Under host means, let me show you. Under host means this is your host, correct? So I have to declare the variable. Uh, just a second. Debug is not there, right? I need a debug. So what to do? So I'm getting the one variable. Done. There is a problem in YAML here, so you have to fix it. YAML issues, you can only become expert till you cry. When you cry, then that means next day you will understood this. So spacing and all, you have to take care. You'll remember all this specification. That's all. Everyone do that actually. This is the same way. So now what I have to do, I have one variable Here the variable name is my name. Okay, my name. Now this variable I'm not setting up here, mind it here. So good to go. Are you comfortable so far?
Yeah,
Hello.
Rajesh.
Yeah. So now how do we set it? My name. So I'll set it up at my name is equal to uh, Raju1 and Raju in host. Okay. And then put it up Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen I inventory and then web.yaml and username root hyphen k password. So what is the password? Rajesh123. And let's see that here. Okay, password is wrong. Uh, Password was not wrong actually. PASSWD Rajesh123. 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 Permission denied. So okay, maybe the root access is not. Just a second, let me check enabled this machine. So I need to check root Rajesh123. That's a root access not enabled. No problem. So I'll fix this using Rajesh hyphen K hyphen B, and there's one more options for the becoming password. In this case I have a password, so what to do? I need to find that options, enter, and the option is uh, to become you user method uh, become password capital K. Okay, mind it. So first thing you have to write Rajesh user password for Rajesh small k capital K hyphen B. Okay, this is how you learn. So you should know the system well, then rest of the things will be easy. Now Rajesh123. So done. Now I want to see Rajesh in host. Correct now? Hello.
Yeah,
So now this is the way you can pass the variable in inventory. But you know what? Second option which we have is uh, how do we file that in the group? So I'll tell you the techniques for it. So just write webs group name and say vars. This is the fixed one, okay? And then here you just type my name is equal to Raju in where? Group. Raju in group. So now let's see that which is having highest priority. And if you see that, see Rajesh, host is having highest priority now. But what I'll do, I'll delete this to make it effective, that one. So precedence is important actually. You have to get a habit of it. There is a table available on the official. Just type Ansible variable precedence. You'll get that which is having highest precedence. And you see Rajesh in group. So this is the second thing actually. So now this you might see that group level. Now next thing is how do we use the directory? So you know what? Here uh, typically the problem is we get frustrated keeping the variables in the host file, because here we want to keep the group and IP address clean one. So do we have any other option Ansible provide? Yes. So what Ansible is saying, hey, you can create a directory called group bars and host bars, for example this one, and mkdir and host bars, which is mkdir this one. And what is the host name? You can keep the file over there. So what is the host name? uh, so this is my host name, mind it, this is my host name, and this is my group name, mind it. So if you want to put the host name, then keep this file named with it. And if you want to put the variable for group name, keep this file under this directory. So can I create now? So vi host. First, I'll show you the group bars. Okay, group bars and this one and enter. And here I'll just say, and this is a YAML file. Okay, so you have to use my name colon Raju is rocking. Let's see that if it is taking or not. So this is a key and value format you have to give it. Okay, there in inventory file it is equal to is INI file. So now group files I defined. Now can I run this code? Enter Rajesh 123, Rajesh 123, and now let's see which is having highest precedence. So if you see that Rajesh is rocking, that means if you define, mind it, if you define a variable in the group of inventory file or variable in the group of vars, highest priority is group vars. Correct now? Hello.
Yeah, but can you say like how can you again say like where I mean how can we see the preference over here like uh,
Ah, so first your objective should be to knowing every places where we can declare variable, and after that, I think I should be having that preference. Uh, See here. So this is a little bit highest to lowest, but this is not a, see here. Playbook, task level, environment level, fact, prompting user, and where is a preference then? So here you have a preference, precedence order. So
okay,
now now you know that most of the things here. Do you know role? Yes. Inventory? Yes. Playbook? Yes. Var prompts? Yes. Play? Yes. Task? Yes. Include vars? Yes. So all these things you have to experience that.
okay,
So don't worry about right now precedents. Just
mm-hmm.
focus on to learn everything. Learn means
Okay,
whatever I taught you, you have to go through that. Okay, and then
okay,
frame a question, because see why I'm asking you to frame a question, because till you do not frame a questions, you will not have a confidence like what I know and what is been covered and what I should ask. So that is the
yeah,
reason I'm asking you. That is
okay,
important for you to. Otherwise, you keep thinking I'm still learning, but you are not learning. You have learned the Ansible, just you need a practice.
yeah,
Okay, so now that is the thing. So now next thing here is I discuss about the group vars here. How do we make it host var? So this file name must match with the inventory file host vars and also. Let me create this one also. So here I'll go and create one file host vars and file name, and here I'll keep the my name. Mind it, it's YAML file, so you have to put it in a key and value format. Ramu Kaka. So this is the uh, uh, things. And now if I run it, just look at this Rajesh 123, and you see Ramu Kaka. So you see that now match this. So if you want to look at this in perspective, uh, put it up here. Now I'm not talking about the playbook. So here just talk about this. So if you want to put this is the group bars, okay? This is the group bars, inventory group bars. Here group bars, here group bars, host bars, and that's all. So now you see that which is having highest priority. So here the highest priority is belong. No, just ignore this one. This one. So highest priority you see. This is the least priority. This is the highest priority. Saw that? Hello?
oh sorry I'm on mute, yeah,
Yeah. So here inside the group vars, just only one thing. Remember that whatever the group and host name, it should match. Now, any idea what is this all here group vars? What this file is doing? All. Anyone?
Which includes all the groups in.
Yeah, there is a default group if you remember
Yeah.
all.
Yeah.
So if you put all, this has a list precedence actually.
Okay.
Yeah. So like that. So this is the way you should do that. Okay. So this is the way you have to practice it. Now next topic is vault. Now what is vault? So now this is just a tool. Let me show you. Just a tool. Which vault? Sorry, my bad. I'm using more than 4 different vault software. So vault, this vault is basically is HashiCorp vault. So you have to use Ansible vault for that Ansible hyphen vault. Here it is. So what basically this tool is all about. So this tool will help you to encrypt your files. I repeat, this tool will help you to encrypt your file. Then you will say, Rajesh, why you want to encrypt? I don't think so. I should answer because you have all this knowledge. We encrypt because of security reason. We don't want that file to be accessible, seen by everyone else, only by the person who's having authorizations. So you want to encrypt the files which may contain passwords, secrets, certificates, keys, tokens, and stuff like that. And you want to avoid that losing that content. I mean, compromising the content. So you want to create a encryption. Then you will say, Rajesh, which encryption algorithm is being used for this Ansible vault for encrypting the data? So then it's AES algorithm. That's a very popular algorithm. There are so many algorithms. AES is the one which is being used. Now next one, how to encrypt. So let me encrypt the data. So guys, can you see this file here, inventory? Can you see this file? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I'll do, because I'm getting little irritated from this all options. So any fix for it? What do you think? You suggest me quickly. Any fix for this? So I'll use inventory variable. So just give me, nowadays you should use the chat GPT, saving hell lot of time, hell lot of time. So give me, what do we call it? What do we call it? Quickly. Behavioral parameter. Do you remember that I discussed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Behavior parameter.
Parameter. You can go to the documents and find out, but this is faster. Give me behavioral parameter of all these uh, options, all this command, and they will give you, you can save time. Oh, I don't need that. Ansible, anything start with Ansible user, Ansible, you know, why it's not giving it? It's just explaining it. Okay, let me ask one more time. Ansible behavior parameter. If it's not giving this time, okay, no, it's not understanding me. Okay, one more thing. Let me
Can you
try the same
remove
way.
the command and just give the.
Yeah, that is also done. Let me check the bar also.
Okay.
Spelling is correct. No, this guy is also not understanding. So list of all Ansible behavioral parameter. You can of official documents also you can give it, do it, but this is nowadays faster. This is called prompt engineering. I'm trying to get this habit because this is future. Strange actually, it's not coming. Okay, so maybe spelling mistake, maybe that is causing or what, but they should correct it actually. No. Okay, so not to worry. let's go for the documents we have here. And search results has changed also. I should document my thing, just wasting time here. Ansible para, let me search for behavior inventory parameters. Now it might come list of all. Yep, this is come. So now let's find out. So here, what are you going to do? So first thing, you, Rajesh, user. This is the one. Second thing, small k, which is Ansible password. I'm doing it faster without reading it because I know that, but you have to read it, spend some time actually. Then you get used to it. Capital K. So, which is a become password, Ansible become password. And here, hyphen V, sudo become true. Okay, so true, password Rajesh123, Rajesh123, Rajesh. And now what I'm going to do, this I'll fix it using this one. So here, go to inventory and where's done. Okay, so now what was I was trying to show you? Yeah, I was trying to show you different thing actually. I got lost in different topic. So I was trying to show you the vault, and for that I wanted to feed the password here. But this is not safe, right? This is not safe, correct? What do you
Yeah,
think? It's not safe. What to do? Let me check that script is working or not.
yeah,
Now
it's
see it's
working.
working.
Yeah,
Yeah. So it's not safe. So what to do? So what I will do, I will encrypt it, this file. Look at this here, Ansible playbook, vault. And here you can create, encrypt it. Where is the command? And decrypt it. You can edit it, view it, all this thing. Okay. So these are the commands I'm going to use it. So let me do that. Encrypt. What file? Inventory file. And what the password? Raj123. Raj123. Now you see the inventory file. Now this is a AES encryption. You see that? You can't see that. No one can see that. Only the person who can see that he's having password. So can we see that? Edit, view, all this thing you can do that very well. Edit, Raj123. You can modify the file, save, exit. Again, you cannot see that. You can view also. Okay. And Raj123. See, but now the question is, if I use it this file with my run, what will happen? See, Ansible could not read it, the file. Got it, no?
yeah, yeah,
So what to do now? So we have to find out the options where I can provide the password. So read this all options again. I have asked you so many times to spend some time here and you know get comfortable with it. So here ask vault password. Here, that's all. Now it is running, it will ask a time password and it will run. Now your data is protected. No one can access without till you have a password, which is which one this view what exactly more inventory. Yeah. See? So this is how you can protect. But if you want to decrypt it, yes, you can do very well. You can do vault decrypt, decrypt, enter Raj123, and now you can see that this is the one. Got it?
have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.